Hey peeps, welcome back to Andine's TV here in Andine's Kitchen. If this is your first time stopping by, up and in. And to all our OGs to Andine's TV, up and stand in. Peeps, help us to get to 400 subscribers. We really appreciate it and we definitely cannot do it without you. Today, we're diving into a special treat that holds a place in every Jamaican holiday celebration. Yes, Jamaican Sweet Potato Pudding. This dessert is rich, silky, and packed with the flavors of freshly grated nutmeg and creamy coconut milk. Think of it as a delicious blend of pound cake and cheesecake, but with a tropical twist. Stick around as we share our favorite recipe with you and tips to help you make it perfect. So let's get started. So peeps, we got our sweet potatoes and our yams. So the process right here is we're gonna just add all of this stuff to the blender and blend it until it's look like a puree form. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright peeps, so this is our pureed sweet potato and the yam, and now we're gonna just add it to the bowl. So peeps, that's our mixture right there, nicely pureed. So now we're just gonna add all our dry ingredients. The raisins, that's gonna be added when it's like halfway through. I'm just gonna sprinkle some in at the halfway through the baking. And then all of these ingredients are sugar, salt, flour, coconut, everything is gonna be added to here, and we're gonna mix everything and then pour it in our pan that we've already prepared, already spread. And the oven over here, we're using our small countertop oven. We already preheated to 300. So we're gonna bake it until it starts pulling away from the edges, and also it looks kind of like wobbly in the middle. We'll show you how that looks. Vanilla, all of our nutmeg, our coconut, it's just grated coconut, and then we're gonna add our flour. So now we just want to combine this until it's fully mixed. Alright peeps, so this is our mixture. It's already mixed in already, everything. So you can see this is ready to go into the pan right now. Beautiful. Alright, this looks very good. Looks like it's going to be a nice pudding. Look at their consistency right there. Very nice. We use a big, a decent sized pan so it can spread. I don't think it's going to rise a lot, but we're gonna have a nice, probably like inches, 2 inches, inch and a half thickness pudding. There you have it. So we're like about yay high, about that height. So that's not too bad. So drop it in a few raisins. Guys, it looks good and smells good. And I know once it's finished, it'll taste good. We'll come back and show you. It's gonna take maybe like an hour, hour and a half. Alright, so we're gonna put it in and let it do its thing. Alright peeps, so when it's finished, we'll come back and show you how it looks. Alright peeps, the pudding is finished. Our Jamaican pudding ready and good to go. We're gonna get a slice. And that's how you make Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Moist, flavorful, and perfect for any celebration. Thank you so much for joining us on this culinary journey. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more authentic recipes from around the world. Until next time, keep cooking and enjoy every bite. Andin's TV, up, and out. Boom.